Let's remain with that story now. In celebration of Youth Month, Mziyonke Driving School, located in Diepkloof here in Soweto, officially launched a campaign called Keys and Dreams, unlocked earlier today. Now, this initiative offers young people, particularly matriculants, free learners driving license lessons as a way to uplift and empower the youth.
Isikole sokufundela ukushayela kwiMziyonke Driving School eSoweto siqale umkhankaso wokulekelela abafundi bakamatikuletsheni ukuba basihlomulele ngama-learners license abo mahhala. uPrity Mzolo elandisa kabanzi ithimba lezindaba leSoweto TV ubeke kanje.
What we do is that we visit schools, high schools, matriculants, and we plant these locks. These are called Flare Essential locks. We use them. If umntwana wenza matric, ethola this lock, loyo mntwana will take a picture next to the lock and then send it to our WhatsApp number. We'll share with you guys. At the end of this, and then I send a listombe. Upon sending the picture, we'll send a code so that Azogazo site decode it, and just like that, that learner would have scored a free learners.
Mziyonke Driving School once came to my school and they advertised that they are offering us free learners, and I was able to secure myself a lock which secured me a free learners. Really good. I'm really excited to get my learners and start my driving lessons. Thank you for introducing this program and allowing our students to be able to participate and get our driving on.
Inhloso nqangi yabo ukulekelela abafundi bakamatikuletsheni ukuba mebephume esikoleni babe namathuba angcono. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu.